Hi students, good morning. I am your English teacher. Okay, today Wednesday class. Okay, students. First of all, we are all sent in your attendance status. It's very must. Okay, it's very important of one. Okay, first of all, you are sent in your attendance. Okay, students. Okay. Uh, Now the COVID issue also going on here. Yes. So you are all stay safe, stay home. Okay, because your safety is very important of one. Okay, your safety is very important of one. Clear? Okay, students. Now uh, our school also quickly opens your prayer God. You are all pray God quickly open in our school. Okay, because the online class going, I mean, we are making some mistakes. Extremely sorry, because we are making mistakes that how I tell you, how to I tell you, because that easily cannot clear, but simply we are reading, we are making the mistakes. So we are all cannot easily understand. Okay, so God pray God you quickly open our school. Okay. Okay, so COVID issue also going on here, so you are put in your mask. Okay, it's very must. Okay. Okay, students, you cannot put the attendance mean, definitely you are put in your attendance status. Okay. Okay, students, uh, today we all see fifth standard English. Okay, today we all see fifth standard English. Clear? Okay, students. Yes, today what are happening we all see. Yes, these are all the happenings. Last day we are saw it. Okay, right now you all see lost in space. What? Lost in space. Name is lost in space. I will get my pen. Okay. See here, lost in space. Right. I give some definition of space. I write in my note. See here. Okay. Lost in space. Okay, lost in space also here. Yes, the first one is space. Okay, space means like that we are go to the what planet. That is one of the space. The IS or ISRO. Yes, that is one of the space research center. ISRO also one of the space. NASA also one of the space research center. So now we introduce the space. Okay, that is space. That is one of the space. It's one of the space like that. We are go to the rocket also sending that that space lot of difference. Okay, it is one of the space. Okay, next we have see space museum. Okay, space museum means like that. I mean space what? Space park. Space side one of the park also there. I mean it is one of the space park. Okay, there mentions. I mentioned space museum. Okay. Okay. And next we are see what ledge, not a lodge. It's a ledge. Okay. Lodge means like that. Open in your door. That is large, and clock you are putting to the clock, that is one of the large. It's one of the ledge. Okay, right, ledge. Okay, yes, it's one of the ledge, like the door side we are using that. Okay, next we have see space shuttle. Okay, it is one of the space shuttle. Okay, space shuttle, it means by one of the uh, car, one of the car, like that car, bus. It's one of the rocket. I think rocket. Okay, I tell you rocket. It's space shuttle. It's one of the rocket. Okay, they are mentioned. Right. Next, we have see lever. Lever also here. Not a lever. It is one of the lever. It is one of the machine. The machine using to we are flying to space side. Okay, it's one of the lever. Lever. Okay, it is one of the lever. Right. Next, we have see space suit also here. No, space suit. It is one of the dress like the cloths. Okay, it is one of the space suit means cloth dress. Okay, it is one of the dress also here. Right. Next, you see what aliens. Aliens means we are living in the earth. We are the people. We are living in the earth. Mean we are people. They are, for example, the people also living in the Mars. Mean they are the people are aliens. Okay. So now I mention aliens. Clear? Okay. Clear means not a problem. Now we are go to the topic. See here, lost in space. Okay. See here the first para. Two character also here. This name is Amudan and Nilavan. Okay, Amudan and Nilavan also here. So just I read it. Amudan and Nilavan visited the space museum. Okay, Amudan and Nilavan visited the space museum. Like that they are go to the space museum. You see here, see this picture. It is one of the museum. Okay, it is one of the space museum. Okay, they saw a model of a space shuttle. Okay, they saw a model of a space shuttle. See here, it is one of the space shuttle, right? Right. Where I stop it? Just 1 second. Amudan and Nilavan visited the space museum. They saw a model of space shuttle, right? Then Nilavan found a latch. Yes, see, Nilavan found a latch and opened. 1 second. Nilavan found a latch and opened the shuttle. Okay, they are opened the shuttle also. Shall you ask the questions? Latch mean what? Yes, latch mean one of the opening place in ship. Okay, opening place in ship. Okay, so they are mentioned latch and opened the shuttle. They entered the shuttle and the door locked. Okay. They entered the shuttle and the door locked. That time the door also locked. See, Amudan and Nilavan visited the space museum. They saw a model of a space shuttle. Then Nilavan found a latch and opened the shuttle. They entered the shuttle and the door locked. Okay. Clear? Because of their see here the Amudan and Nilavan also go to space side. That side one of the museum also there. It is one of the museum. They are see the model. I mean saw mean only they are saw see. Okay, past tense future tense saw see. Okay, right. Then Nilavan and opened the door. They are mentioned to the this para. Okay. And open and close the door. Okay, and everything locked. Okay, right. Now they were trapped inside. Now they were trapped inside and they walked into What deck? uh, Deck mean what? Yes, it mean by one of the switching place in ship. Okay, one of the switching place in the ship, uh, in the machine. Okay, right. Deck mean in the machine. I mean, switching place. Clear? Right. Now they were dropped inside and they walked into the deck. It is one of the switching place. Okay, right. Now, who's speaking? Yeah, he also speak it. No, don't touch. So many switches. What does this big green switch do? He speak this. He also telling, no, don't touch. He also the green shirt. You know, he also replied to him. So many switches. What does this big green switch do? So his reply, no, don't touch. Okay, but what is happening going on here? Yes, but Amudan, but Amudan had pressed the switch. But Amudan had pressed the switch, and then also pressed the switch. Already he also telling no, don't touch the switch. Okay, don't touch. Already tell you no. So here, but he also put the switch. But Amudan had pressed the switch and the shuttle butts. Okay, shuttle butts. It's not the butts. Okay, but Amudan had pressed the switch and the shuttle butts into outer space. Into outer space. Okay, into outer space. So, what have done Amudan? What have done Amudan? Because the mission is going on there, That time, sorry, I thought the button. Yes, sorry, I thought the button would open the door, but looks like I hit the wrong button. So they are reply. Sorry, sorry, I thought the button would open the door, but looks like I hit the wrong button because he's making to the, I'm putting to the wrong button. Yes, okay. See here, the shuttle went. Where I stop it? Yes. The shuttle went through a belt of what? Asteroids. Okay, it's one of the asteroids, right? Clear? It is one of the asteroids. The shuttle went through a belt of asteroids. Okay, once again I read. The shuttle went through a okay. The shuttle went through a belt of asteroids. Okay, it's one of the asteroids. Okay, right. Amudan and asteroids is coming towards us. Okay, Amudan and asteroids is coming towards us. Turn the shuttle because turning to the shuttle. Okay, how will I turn the shuttle? Let me try. Yes, they are mentioned. Let me try pulling this what lever. Okay, not a lever, it's also lever. Okay, how will I turn the shuttle? Let me try pulling this lever. Pulling means like that, move on the door, like that you go to one push and pull. They are mentioned, that is one of the pulling. Okay, it is one of the pulling. So how will I turn the shuttle? Let me try pulling this lever. Okay, right. So see here, the shuttlecraft landed on a new planet. The shuttlecraft landed on a new planet. They are traveling to the one shuttle, that shuttle also reach the planet. So they are mentioned. The shuttlecraft landed on a new planet. Okay, that time shuttle also going to new planet. I mean, that is one of the planet is what? Mars, Mars, right? See here, are you all right, Amudan? Are you all right, Amudan? Yes. Uh, yeah, that time the opponent also replied, I am fine. Quick, we must wear a space suit. Because space suit means they are putting to the cloth, dress also putting it in the space side. Okay, now see here, they run for the suits. Nilavan saw green lights coming towards the shuttle. They run for the suits. I mean, suits means like the dress, They run for the suits. Nilavan saw green lights coming towards the shuttle. Okay. Nilavan coming the shuttle. They are they run for the shoots. Nilavan saw green lights coming towards the shuttle. Okay, they are making to the green light. Clear? Okay. Look at the slides. It is coming towards us. Look at the slides. It's coming towards us. Light also coming to their side. Okay. So they are mentioning it. See, he's also replied to him. Yes, they are all around us and that shuttle is very big. Let us wear our suits. In second I read. Yes, they are all around us and the shuttle is very big. Let us wear our suits. They mean they are putting. Okay, so they are mentioned wear. Okay, clear? Okay. Just I move on next page. See here, what? Aliens also here, So they are going to the space side. At that time, aliens from the big shuttle shattered the windows and took them out. Okay, aliens from the big shuttle shattered the windows and took them out. Yes, here's the question. Shattered. What is meaning shattered? Yes, shattered mean by that is one of the damaged. I mean, like that you are using to the bottle means and missing in your bottle means that is damaged and blast. Okay, that is one of the shattered. Sorry, shattered. Okay, it means shattered. It is a shattered. Okay, shattered the windows and took them out. Okay, aliens from the big shuttle shattered the windows and took them out. Okay, next you are see the people also speak with the aliens. You see the picture, the green color is the aliens. They are put into the cloth. They are also one of the people. Okay, how is this possible? How is this possible? They ask the question, do you speak our language? Because the aliens also speak with him. So he also alleged, okay, how is this possible? Do you speak our language. Okay, how is this possible to you speak our language? So they are replied. I see here the green color. The green color is one of the aliens. Okay, please don't be afraid. Please don't be afraid. Okay, afraid. Okay, don't see. Please don't be afraid. Afraid. Okay, afraid. Okay, so please they are mentioned. I mean the alien also reply to him. Please don't be afraid. There is a there is a problem with your shuttle, because this shuttle also make a problem. So they are mentioned. With your shuttle we can fix it your you. Okay, it for you. Please don't be afraid. uh, Please don't be afraid. There is a problem with your shuttle. We can fix it you. We can fix it for you. They are mentioned. Okay. We can read your mind and use that to speak your language, because their minds also reading and speak with them. So the aliens the aliens gave them special rooms. See here, the aliens gave them a special room so that they can remove their suits and rest. Okay, please rest here and eat there. Please rest here and eat those capsules like that, one of the food. Okay, and the space side. Okay, please rest here and eat these capsules. They are the same as your food. Already I tell you, no. Clear? Okay, listen. Hey, that time the aliens also standing here. No, that time the aliens also speak with the diyas. Hey, wake up, because they are sleeping it. Hey, wake up, your ship is ready. They are telling your ship is ready. Okay. Hey, wake up, your ship is ready. Put on your suits. I mean, you are put, suit they are mentioned. I mean, dress. Okay. It is time to go home. It's time to go home. Okay. Hey, wake up, your ship is ready, but on your suits. Put on your suits. I mean, hey, wake up, your ship is ready, put on your suits. It's time to go home. Like that. What is it? Yes, aliens also speak with him, right? Okay. Now, when the time comes, we will see you. When the time comes, we will see you. Like that, the aliens also speak with the that time, and the people also here. They are given to the thanks to this. Thank you for your help, because they are telling to the thanks to this. Thank you for your help. Are you coming to earth with us? Ask the question. Okay. Thank you for your help. Are you come to earth with us? Okay. They are asked. Finally, they are go to earth side. These are all the happening going in the space side. So now the two people. I mean, see here who's that? Amudan and Nilavan. Amudan and Nilavan also go to this. Where? Yes, home side. I mean, earth side. That time they are telling to the bye bye. Already we are coming to the classroom. We are telling to the bye. So they are said to the bye, and they are go to this place and like home side. Okay, clear? It is very interesting. Okay, students. I meet next class. Your stay in your home, stay safe. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. I meet next class. You are study properly in your home. Bye bye.